Hello, my dear students of second BA, third semester. Here I welcome you to the session number 15, One Act Play Lithuania for Mangalore University, compulsory foundation course in English. So in this particular video, I am discussing about the characters, the minor and the major characters in the play. Okay, Rupert Brooke. So look at how beautiful he is. He's in a soldier's uniform because he was a soldier. Characters and characterization. That's the title I have given to the session. Earlier to this, we will have a recap of the previous session. In the previous video, what we did. The daughter who killed a stranger with an axe, heavy axe, she killed him. She was very rough, hard, very strong also. Who killed her own brother without the knowledge that he is her own brother. The wine shop owner and his son revealed the fact that he is the stranger who comes to their house, who is nothing but their own runaway son. That's a very shocking news they brought to the family. The son or the stranger who ran away many years ago came back to the house. The stranger is nothing but their own son. The mother wept, in a grief because she lost her son, and also she has seen her daughter's cruel face. This is what we learn. And the father, he was an intoxicated, drugged, so he was not in his senses. He again goes to the step to kill the stranger, but he falls again. So this is the condition of the family at the end of the play. We concluded in the previous session. In this session, we will discuss about the characters, how individual, the learning objectives. Students will understand the characters individually, and outcome, students will analyze the characters individually, how each character contributed to the plot. Right. So content, first one, daughter, the mother, father, stranger, wine shop owner and his son, and Paul. These are the characters who comes on the stage, the play, action. And references, your textbook and MCQs. In this session, we have 10 questions. 10 multiple choice questions we have. So we can I gave questions referring to the whole thing from the beginning. Whatever sessions we did know on that, I have given that. So now let us go to one by one characters. First one, the daughter, whose name which came in the play in the mouth of her mother. Her name is Anna, but we prefer to call her as a daughter. Right? Her name is Anna. She has a very heavy face, very strong, heavy face because of poverty, as she herself revealed. Appears rough, her actions, they look rough, and has a strong body. How? Because she was helping and working in the field with her father, so she become more masculine. The qualities, she lacks the qualities of a woman, but she has so much qualities of a strong man. She wants to convey the idea that the hardness of poverty has made her hard. It is quite natural, but we should have some pity on her in the beginning. But that pity, that impression will gone in the next condition of the play. What she did, she strikes the stranger with the heavy axe, a very heinous crime she did. She shows no remorse, no repentance, even after committing the murder, because she fears that if the murder is leaked out, she will have to go to jail. Because she is not ready to go to jail, she wanted to live a comfortable life in city like other girls. She was not bothered about she killed her own brother. This is the character of Anna, or we can call her as the daughter. Okay, yes. The next character, very important one, the major character in the play, the mother. We don't have her name in the play, so she was just called the mother. Actually, the mother, the word itself is very soft, okay, which gives us the impression that mothers are always mothers. Okay, so she is a middle-aged woman, mother of two, right, leading life of poverty and struggle. She was struggling to feed the family, okay, with the minimum income, whatever he earns, her husband. So she was struggling. The mother is hard and cruel in the beginning because she also thought about killing the stranger. Anyway, he's a son, but if though he is a stranger or any other human being, okay, how a mother or a woman think about killing a person? It's quite not easy. But when her daughter is killing the stranger, a change comes over her. In the beginning, he is ready to kill the stranger. When the daughter is killing, when she observes her face, a change comes over her. Oh, she sobs and cries out, "Oh Christ, stop, stop, stop!" Because she was striking very hard. We can see, if you imagine, so she cries because when she kills the stranger who uttered only the word mother, 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 that word brought some changes in mother, but ultimately the stranger died. When the stranger calls mother, she thought that he was remembering his mother at the time of death. No, the mother is nothing but she herself. She did not know the truth. Next character, the father, whose name is Ivan. Okay, his wife calls him Ivan, that is his name, father. He is a 50 years old man leading a poor and miserable life, working hard in the field with his daughter. Okay, anyhow, how much he worked, he could not fulfill the requirements of the family, desperate, exaggerated because of the family conditions, and he is a drunkard. His wife and daughter wish him to commit the murder because he is a man. He must kill the stranger and we will have his money and gold watch. That's the wish of the family. The father told that, yeah, the idea comes to my mind also, but he avoided in the beginning. When his own wife and daughter, they thought he support them because to have a money, right? Because of poverty. He says that he will drink wine in order to strengthen his spirit to do it. See, as though wine is something which gives strength to him to kill, which gives energy to him to kill the stranger. No. But his wife and the daughter, they think that he's a coward. He cannot kill. But there is some kind of humanity in that man, right? His conscience. Okay, look at the word conscience. An inner voice in a human being. That inner voice rebels against this sinful act. No, killing another human being is a sinful act. I cannot do it. But does not try to stop this act. So, moreover, he never did it, but it was possible for him to stop his daughter and the wife to stop this act. But what he did? So, he took a time and then he went to wine shop, vodka shop. Okay, I will come later having a drink, then I will kill him. So he left the house. So when he comes back, he was not in his senses. the vodka shop owner and his son, they brought him to the house, right? Then also he was not in the senses, and the vodka shop owner and his son, they told that in the shop he was blabbering something. Yes, I want to kill somebody. Shh, he was making that sound. So he was murmuring something, right? But unfortunately, the father, when he comes back to the house before the vodka shop keeper and his son, he was climbing the steps. Oh, I will kill him, because he was not in his senses, but he falls on the floor. Right? He never knows that the stranger is already dead. Okay, when he comes home with the vodka shop owner, he never knows that the stranger is already murdered by his daughter and his wife, right? Because he was not in his senses. Next character, the stranger. Okay, the stranger, the son. We don't have his name here in the play. He is always called as the stranger. The stranger was a young middle-aged man. He wanted to give surprise to his own family members because he ran away at the age of 13, and after long time he came back a rich man. So he brought so much of wealth, money and a gold watch to the family to share them with the family, and he wanted to see his family very rich. His gold watch, he showed his gold watch, lot of money to this poor family. Naturally, the poor people, they were greedy. Okay, when they have seen lot of money, naturally they think about to rob, to steal that money. It's inevitable for them. He did not understand the intentions of the mother and the daughter, because in the middle he came back after the Paul. Okay, after the Paul went out of the house, he came, he woke up and he came, he asked for the father, he did not find the father there, right? Then he again get back to the bed, he falls asleep because he was tired, deadly tired, he slept like a log. Okay, his foolishness made him to get murdered by his own sister and the mother. Think, the destiny, how destiny made it. Okay, he wanted to make a joke, but he was murdered. When he was dying, when his sister was killing him, he uttered, "Mother, mother, mother." He's calling thus his own mother, but she did not understand. Right? And the next character, the vodka shop keeper or his son. Okay, wine shop owner. So here we call him as the vodka shop keeper. The stranger visited the shop and met them. Before coming to this house, he went there and then, so he met them. He told them that he is the lost son of that family, because the shop stayed there for a long time. When he was also there, so he know them. Okay, he knew them, and he went there and then he revealed his identity. Okay, and then told that yes, I came here to share his wealth with his family. So the vodka shop owner, the vodka shop keeper was very happy, because this poor family somehow get their son back, and then they will live happily. Next, he told them that he wanted to give surprise to them, though they brought the drunken father to his home. Okay, they brought him and then they explained whatever he was blabbering in the shop. Then they asked about their son's surprise visit. The mother and the daughter, they don't have words to say anything at all, because the mother was crying, and the daughter, she was thinking about the police. If the news of the murder is leaked out, then what she will do? She has to go to jail. How can I escape? She was thinking about that. Yes, and the last character in the play, Paul. Paul is a 25-year-old young man. So in the play he is referred as a young man, right? He is the lover of the young girl of the family. So think, he is loving that hard girl. Okay, a hard-faced girl. He is in love with that girl. He visited her house when she was about to kill the stranger. Actually, they have made a plan, but at that particular time, he came to the house. He tried to hold the hands of the girl, but now she doesn't want him because she is in a moment to kill that stranger. She thought that he was disturbing this moment. If the stranger awake, she cannot murder him. She could not do it. That's why, by force, she sent him out of the house. She avoided him and sent him away. So, this is a boy who loved that girl. He actually doesn't know what is the character or how the girl thinks about money matters and how rude she is, how rough she is, and she lacks so much womanliness. The qualities of a girl she lacks. We don't know how he loved her. Okay, yes, I conclude here. We discussed about the characters because in the examination they will ask you questions. Okay, write a short note on these characters. So you have to concentrate on each character carefully and you have to write answer concentrating on this. Analytically think how each character contributed to the plot of the play. Okay, this is a reference, your textbook. Yes, here are the multiple choice questions. So in this video I have made 10 multiple choice questions. Okay, so overall the questions based on the whole one act play Lithuania, right? Guess the answers. Okay, you will have a prize at the end of the play. Okay, why did the daughter become so hard? Why did the daughter, the girl of the family, become so hard? Option A, the wilderness in the forest. B, ruthless society. C, hardness of poverty. D, her father's behavior. Why? What is the reason? Answer is yes, the hardness of the poverty. Right. Second question. Who strikes the stranger with an axe, heavy axe? Who murdered the stranger? A, the father. B, the daughter. C, Paul. D, mother. So who strikes the stranger with a heavy axe? You know the answer? Yes, very good. Answer is the daughter. Yes. The third question. Why does the father wanted to strengthen himself by drinking? In the play he says, right, he wanted to kill the person, the stranger, so he want to drink, then he will kill him. So here the 4 answers are there. Okay, choose the right answer. To kill the stranger, to fight with his wife, to rob the stranger, to fight with his daughter's lover, Paul. What is the correct answer? Yes, to kill the stranger. Why does the father wanted to strengthen himself by drinking? Answer is to kill the stranger. Actually, the real reason is that he doesn't want to kill him, but he told that. So to kill the stranger, he wanted to have a drink. So just wanted to miss the chance. Fourth question. Who doesn't understand the intentions of the family members? Okay, who doesn't understand the intentions? Okay, what they wanted to do, he couldn't understand. So who? A, Paul. B, vodka shopkeeper. C, vodka shopkeeper's son. D, the stranger. Answer is yes, the stranger, one who died in the hands of his own sister. Fifth question. Who is shown as a coward in the play? Okay, coward. Paul, the stranger, the father, and the mother. Correct answer is yes, the father. The mother and the daughter, when he declared that I should have some drink, then I will kill him, they thought that he is a coward. Sixth question. Dash really repents for the murder in the play. Who repents in the play? Mother, daughter, vodka shopkeeper, Paul. Answer is the mother who cries. Right. Seventh question. The daughter had an affair with Dash. The stranger, no, he is her brother. But she doesn't know earlier. She thought that he is ogling at her. He is not a good man. And he is short also. B. Paul. C. Vodka shopkeeper. D. Vodka shopkeeper's son. What is the right answer? Yes, Paul. She had an affair with Paul. 8. Who initially in the play knew that the stranger was the family's long lost son? Who knew it? The vodka shopkeeper, B. the mother, C. the daughter, D. the Paul. Yes, the vodka shopkeeper and his son, but I have given only 4 options here. Okay, answer is the vodka shopkeeper. Question number 9. Why did the daughter send away Paul from her house? Option A, because in his presence she may not kill the stranger. Option B, because her father would come from vodka shop. C, because her mother didn't like him. D, because the stranger may not see him, because now she is ready to kill the stranger. What is the correct answer? Read the question again. Why did the daughter send away Paul from her house? Because she loves him. She had an affair with him. Answer is A. Because in his presence she may not kill the stranger. If he comes to know that the girl whom he loves, she is a murderer, then what he would do? That's why she wanted to send him away. The last question. Whose conscience rebels against this sinful act of murder in the character? First one, the mother. B, the daughter. C, the author. D, the father. Whose conscience rebels against this sinful act, the murder of the stranger? Who doesn't want to kill the murderer? Okay, answer is yes, the father. He doesn't want to kill the stranger. So here I conclude this session. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood the characters and characterization. Thank you very much. So see you in the next session.